Hello once again everyone, and this time it's time to fit the exhaust tips finally. I got the exhaust clamps here. These are 68 to 73 millimeters. I've checked already, these are the perfect size for them. Let's get this done. The way that the car is sitting there at the moment, there's barely enough space to crawl underneath to remove the old ones and put the new ones on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the car in lift mode so I can get them a bit more clearance under the car, and then remove the old exhaust tips. There's the clearance we need to get under the car and get those old tips off. And if you wanna work the air suspension, by the way, you don't need to ever start the car. Just ignition on is enough to work the air suspension. So what we're doing is we're coming under here and loosen that. The 17 millimeter goes over there, but it needs to be tapped on, and then hopefully it'll come off easy. I sprayed WD-40 on that, so I'm hoping that will come off easy, and then it's just a matter of getting the tip off and sliding the new one on. So guys, the driver's side is already done, and let me show you here. The new one, which is this one on the left side, is actually a bit longer than the standard one, and if you see here from here, it does poke out a few, I'd say maybe 10 millimeters more than the standard one. I wasn't expecting that, but I mean, I still like the way it looks, and I done that one off camera because it was a lot of hassle to find out the proper tool, because that bolt was absolutely crusted with rust, and in the end I couldn't even take it off. I tried to take it off, and as you can see there, the clamp actually broke, which doesn't really matter because it was coming off anyway. But at least now that I know what I'm doing, I'm gonna show you on the passenger side how to get it done. Alright, so we are under the car. I've tapped a couple sockets in this already, and to be honest, doesn't even look like a nut's there. And I try to move it, there's a slight movement on this. That's how bad this thing is on here. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off, but eventually it's gonna have to come off. Let me see. One try. Nah, too big. There's definitely nothing holding this on here. Nope, definitely not, because the other one with the 13 millimeter spanner, I was able to leverage it, but this one I might just try to get it this way, because this one actually moves. But I'm gonna get my big screwdriver, try to prise it out. So I don't know how I'm gonna get this off, but one side's done, the other side's gonna have to be done too somehow. This one is not as bad as the other one, apart from that rounded nut, because the other one is completely broken. I won't be able to do it like this. I'm gonna have to... Yeah, it's moving. Ow. If you're doing the same way I am, watch your fingers between the tip and the bumper. I just cut my finger there. See, it's moving. So I just need to get enough movement so I can push it out. Yeah, it's coming out. It's not ideal, but If it works, right? I wasn't expecting this to be such a pain in the backside. Yeah, now it's loose. See? Even with the car in lift, now that I have to fight this off, doesn't seem like enough space under here. But it's definitely coming off. Success. It's actually, you see there, it's cracked at the top, but we got it out. Let's go get our new one. Now with the new one, with the nut facing down, just slide in there. Obviously this one is loose, so it will go on a lot easier than the other one came out. Once in place with a 13mm socket or spanner, whichever you have handy, tighten a little bit and then adjust it. What I've done with the other one was I left my fingers between the tip and the bumper, so I'm going to do the same with this one, and I'm going to be sure that they'll be facing the exact same direction. I don't know what torque should be on this, but it's gonna be, you're gonna have to tighten it as much as you can so it doesn't come loose while driving. There we go. One new tip. There we have it, guys. I've been looking for these tips for so long because I think these look best in the Q7, and again, as I mentioned, they poke through the bumper a little bit, but truth be told, I'm actually not bothered with that because I do like these tips a lot more. So now it's time to tidy these tools up and lower the car again. Now guys, the job is all done. It wasn't a walk in the park like I was expecting it would be, especially because I put double D40 on those nuts. The passenger side didn't seem like there was any nut there whatsoever, but we got it done in the end. And sorry if I sound a bit funny, I'm catching a cold or something, I don't know really. But don't forget, as always, thank you very much for watching my channel, my videos. I do appreciate it a lot. Check my other videos in my channel, and since you're here, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Thank you very much.